Hi from Carroll in Nebraska. This is a great crested flycatcher, the first I've ever seen. In fact, there were three of them here, but by the time I got my camera, they melted away. They were in the pokeberries when I first spotted them, and then moved to some dogwood berries next.
You better get busy on those weeds, girl.
Next up is a cute little pastry I tried called beehives. You just roll out the dough and very simply slice it and wrap it around a perfect peach or a perfect nectarine and bake it off. They were so incredibly cute. I really got a kick out of it. But they're without any sweetener with your fruit. Just didn't satisfy my sweet tooth. They had you make a hard sauce, which you can kind of see a little bit of it there poured over.
Hey, Guinevere. Are you about done with all this molting? I've been trying to give you extra protein goodies. Yeah, so you can grow back some more of those feathers. Right? Especially the wing feathers. Just in case you need to fly away from some predator.